Hello everyone, welcome back. Whenever you're trying to install any packages or upgrade any packages, it is quite common you could encounter error something like could not install package due to OS error or access is denied. This will occur when you don't have the sufficient permissions to install. In my case, I am upgrading the pip, that is using the pip install -- upgrade pip, and while doing this, I'm encountering such kind of error. Alright, so let's see how to solve this error. So the solution for this is you need to use -- user to check the permissions. Let's see that. So for this it is pip install. We need to do -- upgrade, the same command up to here. And now what I want to do is that I want to ask the permissions. So in order to check the permissions, again you type -- user. Now set what are the package you want to install. You can install this. So in my case, I want to upgrade pip. Now press enter. Alright, when you see this command, now you don't encounter such kind of error message like could not install packages due to OS error. This is how we can solve the OS error message, that is could not install package due to OS error. Hope your error solves, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, that is Data Science Anywhere, for more interesting videos on data science, machine learning and deep learning. See you, bye bye, take care.